Okay, so I'm in the house for like a 1-week vacation, and a friend of mine said we should go golfing, and I've never golfed before. I haven't been to a golf course or whatever before, so this is going to be interesting, and I'll try and like vlog it. So that's going to kind of like be a vlog day, and I'm gonna place most of my old videos, but I'll try and post at least like 2. I think I have 2 left that I can find, 2 before I post this one. So hopefully this vlog goes well. Actually, I'm kind of like early right now, but then I wasn't doing anything, so I was like, let me just bath and dress. So I'm going to my mom's shop. I'll be there for a while, then I leave. So I have to eat too because I'm hungry. Food, yes. See you. Okay, so I'm kind of like on the way. As you can see, I've started early because I don't know the place, so I'm going to be like extremely careful so I don't be like missing routes and being in a hurry and shit like that. Anyways, I'm on my way. I ended up not eating because I wasn't really hungry, so there's that one too. So see you when I find my friend, or when I get to where I am, I think. Bye. Oh, by the way, I forgot my microphone, so like, hey, this video is going to be all sorts of noises, and I'm sorry in advance. So we are the mini golf dang. I really don't know what that is, dang. And I got missing
Marvel's mini golf.
Okay, this is Venice. And I got missing so many times. Like, I'm so lucky my dad allows me, because if not, one day I'll just be going for a meeting and then I'm going to a place for the first time and I'll get missing because the turns I missed. Hey, before you see the signboard, you've already missed the turn. Can you believe it? So anyways, yeah, the golf dang. What is it?
Marvel's mini golf.
Dang. And as I said, I didn't bring the microphone, so the audio is going to be hey. So bear with me. Let's go right now.
Today I'm featuring you.
Yes. Featuring Dennis.
I say she be made and tell you say we no want trouble. And if we talk about blessings, we dey get them double. She be made and tell you say we no want trouble. And if we talk about blessings, we dey get them double. Now they see me, they call my name. Enemies make you no come my lane. They go ignore me for my lane. I be the same person another day. Say be now your eye don't wreck. Swallow your pride like python head. Remember when I just the fight on end, where nobody they look my face. Ele baba, ele ba. Ele baba, ele ba. Ele baba, ele ba.
Oh, please, you want the food fast. So apparently they said no professional. Why am I wearing this? They said no professional camera, so you see pictures and short videos, and we are going home.